offering unique programs for the community of the RGV. We're at South Texas Vocational Technical Institute here in McAllen to give you a first-hand experience of what you can get if you decide to join the STVT family. And I'm here with Vanessa, who's going to be telling us all about it. Thank you so much for being here today.
Thank you all for being here.
I'm super excited because you're going to be taking us kind of on a tour of STVT. But before we get into that, tell us a little bit more about this school.
Well, there is so much to learn from STVT, but one of the main things is we have been a part of the community for over 50 years.
I love that.
We have been giving back, and what do we mean by giving back? It means that our graduates have been able to, once they finish and complete their program, they're able to start working in the field, which means they're giving back to the community by medical clinical assisting, medical billing and coding, HVAC. We have business studies, dental assisting.
Lots of opportunities.
Lots of opportunities, absolutely.
And so obviously before we get to that graduating endpoint, we have to start somewhere. And
Yes.
that is by walking through these doors and deciding, I am going to make STVT my school. And with every student that has that, they have a little personal opportunity, which is to take a tour of what they can expect. So Vanessa, what do you say we head around?
Absolutely. So this is a bird's eye view. Whenever you come into STVT, when you've scheduled an appointment, this is what you'll be expecting. When you come in, you're going to sign in your name. We're going to let our rep know that you're here and you're ready to go.
All right, let's go. I'm excited.
So once the admissions representative comes, they will be grabbing the student, and this is exactly what you're going to be seeing.
You're walking through this hallway.
Yep, you'll be walking through administrative hallway. They're going to start getting to know you, uncovering who you are, what your goals are, why you're here for today.
Okay.
Because it's not a cut in stone type of situation that,
Right.
well, when I come here, I know this is exactly the program I want. Sometimes you don't know, but you know that you want to start a goal.
Absolutely.
And that's what we're here for, to help you uncover that and really determine the best fit for you.
Absolutely, okay. So I really love that you're trying to make this experience as personal as possible, which is perfect because sometimes whenever we're joining schools, we're like, I don't know, like, are we a good fit or not? And I feel like by adding in this tour, you're letting them know, hey, we care about you and we want you to know that this is a place that you are going to be appreciated and you are wanted. Because
Absolutely.
education is so important.
Yes, and it isn't just about the student. It's also who is their support group. Bring your family, bring your friends, bring
Okay.
your cousins, because we want all of this to be a buy-in from everybody.
Absolutely, yes.
Sometimes, you know, you might not have that support system, and that's fine. What we tell our prospective students is we're here, STVT, to be your family as well.
Absolutely.
Because we want our students to be successful, graduate, and get started in their career field.
And so something that I also really appreciate is how convenient this building is. So we're at their McAllen location, and right here, right next to us, tell us a little bit more about how everything is kind of in-house when you're a student here.
Absolutely. So from walking through the hallway, this is where you're going to see our admissions department. This is where you're going to sit down, really get that one-on-one information, the different programs we offer. From there, take the tour, show them more insight to the labs, the hands-on training, meet some of our instructors, our program directors. Then from there, come back and you're going to get to speak to financial aid.
Which is perfect because that way you don't have to make different phone calls. You don't have to go to different parts of the valley. It's all here at this McAllen location.
Absolutely. And if a parent can't make it, we call, we make appointments, we get the parent on the phone now, because again, this is an opportunity that we don't want the student to lose out on.
Absolutely.
And so anything that we can do to make it easier for them is what the best case scenario is.
And that's what we want. We want to make sure that as we continue our process during this being part of STVT is that we are having that good experience. And I love that you all are prioritizing that and making sure that as soon as a student who's like kind of on the fence and like, yeah, like I want to join, for sure, they have a guaranteed answer by the time that they finish this tour.
Absolutely. And sometimes they don't have an answer right then and there, and that's fine.
And that is okay.
Come back. You know, come back. Get the buy-in from the support system that's out there, or bring them back with you, because sometimes we've done so many family tours as well, because it's great for them to see where their student is going to be getting their education from.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for bringing us along, letting us into the STVT family. Now I got to ask you, where can people go? If someone is watching this right now and is like, you know what, I'm going to take that next step, where can they go?
Many places. Definitely get us on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok as well. But best page is also stvt.edu. You can find out all the programs that we offer there as well.
Thank you so much for joining us and giving us a tour of this amazing school.
Thank you so much for coming.